What is up, everyone? Thought I would share with you how we're cooking our Thanksgiving turkey this year. Actually doing it in the wood oven with retained heat. Last night I went out and built a fire, heated it up to full temperature, about what you'd cook pizza at. Let the fire burn down, so when I closed the door on it, probably a little over 900 degrees. This morning we went out, cleaned the ashes out, and I'm still 550, around in that range, and that is just retained heat from last night. We actually break our turkey down when we cook it, so we pull the wings and the legs and the thighs off, and then also pull the breasts off the bone so we can control the cooking temperature a little more precisely on the white meat and the dark meat. We'll cook it. The breast will cook until we hit 165 internal temperature, and on the legs and the thighs and the wings, where it's a dark meat, we'll take it to about 185. Seems to be about the right temperature for that. Found Kinders, really have liked it. This one's the buttery herb and garlic, and then also we do the blend, which is just basically salt, pepper, and garlic. Basic, just break it down, we put it in the oven, watch it. Total cooking time on it to get it done, it's usually just a little over an hour. So it's not a ton of time, you know, cooking, not like the traditional roasting way or anything. I'll show you real quick here. All right, this is the turkey broken down. So the dark meat, we got the legs and thighs, along with one of the wings, and then the two breasts are separated out. We did this last year for the first time, and it worked really well. We will see how this year, how it goes, see if it's as good, but super juicy, good flavor, just a fun way to cook a turkey. We'll head out and we'll get it put in the oven. We're out here at the oven now. Internal temperature is about 530. It's a little hot, but lunch is coming up. We need to get them going, so we will just watch it. So we'll put our turkey in, and I will probably come and check it in about 35 minutes. Guys, it has been 35 minutes. And I just want you to notice as we open up the oven, the amount of steam that comes out, helping keep that turkey moist. That is cool. I am going to set the phone down and temp these, and I'll let you know where we're at. All right, we've been 35 minutes. Let's see where we are on temperature. We are shooting for a 165. Sorry about the sunlight. We're 152, so we need just a little more time on those. Been another 8 minutes. How nicely done those are. Let's just see what internal temperature is. $167-ish. Listen to that skin. Oh, that feels so tender. 172, so we're a little over on that one. So I am going to just take this other wing off. Throw that on there, and we will let that dark meat keep cooking for a minute. And we'll take these in and let them rest. All right, we pulled everything out of the oven. Total cooking time, about 45 to 50 minutes. You can see some of the season's kind of blackened, but it's not burned, has a really good flavor to it. Let's just slice into this breast real quick just to see what it looks like inside. Turn this around. Just even on the edge, you can see super tender, just fall apart. Wonderful flavor. So anyway, if you guys have a wood oven, be a wonderful way to try it. Thank you.